Welcome back to our HEFLO onboarding series. In this video, we'll learn how to add a subprocess and a call activity to a BPMN 2.0 diagram. We'll continue working with the reimbursement of expenses process from the previous video. Let's start by turning the task Analyze Expenses into a subprocess. This task might include several internal steps such as checking the receipts, categorizing expenses, verifying the total amount. To do this, delete the current task. Add a subprocess element in its place. Name it Analyze Expenses. Go to its properties and click the plus icon to open the subprocess editor. If the Is Online option is disabled, the editor opens in a new tab. If enabled, it opens within the current diagram. Inside the editor, model the three tasks in the same lane. Follow BPMN best practices. Use infinitive verbs and clear action descriptions for each task. Once done, return to the main process. Your subprocess is now correctly integrated. In this part, we'll see how to link an existing process using a call activity, making your diagrams more connected and reusable. Next, let's replace the payment of reimbursement task. In our example, this task corresponds to an existing process already available in our HEFLO environment. We'll follow these steps to configure it. Delete the current task. Insert a call activity element. Name it Payment of Reimbursement. In the properties, click the link icon. Select the process named Payment of Reimbursement and confirm. You can also select a specific version. We recommend using the latest version so that HEFLO keeps the link updated automatically. Once linked, clicking on the plus will take you directly to the reference process. In this video, you've learned how to use a subprocess to break down complex tasks, and also how to use a call activity to connect to an existing process. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon in the next lesson of the HEFLO course.